There's a possum trying to climb up the tree, but it slipped on my bike. In this episode, we're in Townsville, and then we head up to the Tablelands to Atherton, go up to Port Douglas, and then down to Cairns and back to Townsville, where I'm going to be doing the triathlon, which will be the next episode. R is for Riverway. We're in Townsville and they have 3 parkruns. So this time we're doing letter R. It's part of the alphabet. We'll have to come back to do the other 2.
And I'm walking, and I may have to walk the full 5k because it's 1 lap. Here I am again doing the walk of shame in Townsville this time. I've stepped it up. I'm doing the full 5k because it's 1 loop around the river, so I had no choice. Amanda's up against some girl who's doing a 100th parkrun and usually wins it. She's around that 25-minute mark, so I think Amanda might have been quietly nervous. A bit of a battle on up front. If I can break 50 minutes, I'll be stoked. And I'm not last again. That's Riverway over there. That's where we started. So we walk up to a bridge, cross the other side that I'm on, go down to another bridge, cross back over. So it's a pretty cool run. See all the people up there. There's a few walkers ahead of me. I just saw Amanda. There she goes. Not sure if you saw that. So I'm at 2.44k and she's coming into the finish. There she goes. Wonder if she's ahead of that girl. So it's a beautiful parkrun, Riverway. Lots of twists and turns over a couple of bridges. And it's a little bit short. Last week in Darwin was a little bit long, so even though my pace was slower, today I did a better time. So I'll take the time. How'd you go?
25. Are you going to finish?
Yeah, I gotta get the 5k in.
Okay. Well, it's not 5k. It's short.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
This bench runs down a hill. I can't say I've ever seen that. It's like a slippery dip. Someone's having fun. Because we're wasting time, because we may be out the front of... So here we are for the night in Mossman. Amanda doing the never-ending editing. And right out the back here is the 50-metre pool. So easy to go swimming in the morning. We're in Port Douglas. We're only here for the morning actually. But we thought we'd better get a little bit of footage because it's beautiful. About to come up behind us is one of the many boats going out, I assume, to the reef. It is tourist season here, being August. It's just beautiful. As we both drove in here, we said we could live here.
Definitely live here.
Summer's challenging, but if you don't mind the heat, it's just beautiful.
And now we're heading down the beautiful coastway to Cairns. I headed up to Yorkys Knob for a ride. It was so windy, there were so many trucks on the road, so when I got here it was just peaceful and beautiful.
Alright, when in Cairns, must come to Smithfield. Here's the Smithfield trails. This map doesn't give it justice. I just went up this switchback climb. I don't even know where it is. I reckon it had 50 switchbacks. It was awesome. Once you get up there, it's just hang on for dear life coming down. Smithfield in Cairns, absolute bucket list ride. Love it. Make sure you get here. Beautiful Mission Beach. It's actually a bit chilly. Here's a stat for you. I lived here for 3 years. Back in Townsville.
And first things first, coffee.
Coffee.
Even before we set up our tent, we'll get most of the stuff out of the car. It's so much windier than when we were here a week ago. Tell me about tomorrow.
Tomorrow's all about you, honey.
And do you love that?
Yes.
No, that's not what you just said.
I love it.
It's all about me.
It's all about you tomorrow.
My day tomorrow.
All you.
Are you going to get jealous?
No. You're not going to have me say anything else on camera. Much as you try.
I'm going to film you sneakily so everyone can see that you don't like it when it's not about you.
I love it.
You can do fitness anywhere.